Power your recovery with Hovert. Revitalize strength, balance, and mobility. Harnessing the potential of vibration plates, Hovert offers a transformative approach to enhancing your body's repair system, rejuvenating circulation, and reigniting muscle tone. Each session on our vibrating plate stimulates your body, promoting greater balance, strengthening bones, revving up metabolism, and fortifying your core. Experience relief from the very first session, while consistent use progressively amplifies muscle tone, fortifies nerves and bones, and expands your range of motion, unlocking heightened benefits as you progress. Gentle acceleration towards recovery. Post-injury or surgery, reclaiming your independence becomes a liberating journey. Hovert's vibrating plate generates gentle, therapeutic vibrations that awaken muscles across your entire body. This stimulation not only enhances circulation, but also amplifies blood flow and oxygen supply to your muscles. This amplification triggers your body's innate regenerative capacity, fostering cell rejuvenation and initiating repair mechanisms. With increased range of motion, flexibility, and comfort from the inaugural session, Hovert gently accelerates your path to recovery, healing acute and persistent injuries. Living with chronic injuries often means masking the pain with a continuous cycle of painkillers. However, Hovert introduces an alternative. By harnessing the power of whole-body vibration WW, this platform works persistently to alleviate chronic pain and address both recent and long-standing injuries. Experience the efficiency and gentleness of our approach that progressively eases discomfort and promotes healing over time. 3 motions in 1 for enhanced recovery. The Hovert platform, an advanced iteration of our esteemed Waver model, integrates 2 robust motors, introducing a 3D range of motion tailored to expedite your recovery journey. Tailor your usage based on your injury and recovery objectives. Opt for 1, 2, or both motions in tandem, providing versatility and optimized support throughout your rehabilitation process. Thank you for watching.